Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, along with Cookie. We are busy taping today, and Cookie just wanted to say hi. She kept scratching my leg, so she wanted to say hi. Can you say hi to everybody? We need to introduce the new club set. Would you like to do that with me, or do you want to go lay in your bed? I don't know. Huh? Do I get a kiss at least? Do you have like stage fright all of a sudden? Okay. Mwah. Mommy's busy. Mommy's got to work. Okay, you go to bed. You go lay in your bed. My friends, it's time for a new club set. And you know what? I have been waiting forever to release this stamp and die set to you because it has been done for a long time, and you know how well, you don't know how, but we have the schedule and it has to be released on different, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I'm really excited to share this with you. Dun, 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 dun. It is called Sunglasses to Stamp. Now, this is the stamp set for our club members. Our Stamp Club members are getting this sent to them automatically on the 1st of the month. Now, it has some fun words. Fun in the sun, happy birthday, summer vibes, vacay mode, and the candles on your cake are so bright, I had to wear my shades. Now, there's some fun things to go along with this, and I'm going to talk about that as soon as I show you the die set that goes together. So our Die Hard Club members are getting the same stamps and the dies that match. And look at how fun they are. You get the outline, you get the regular, and you get the cute little things to put in the sunglasses so like you could see like what the sunglasses are seeing. Now, you're gonna notice on both sets, on this top part here, there's some funny little shapes, and there's a couple little funny little shapes over here. What are those? Well, if you look at some pairs of sunglasses, they have cute little things up in the corners right here, where the part that goes behind your ear lines up with the fronts. Well, that's those little diamond things or little decorations to put there. Now, the other one is a little bit larger. That's more like, I designed that to be like the highlight. So if the sun was hitting it, it would be the highlight, so you could make that in a lighter color. That's up to you. I saw that our design team did a couple little different things with them, which is even more fun. I don't like to tell our design team what everything is because I want them to use it the way they want to use it. I don't want to stifle their creativity. Now, club members, Stamp and Die Hard Club members, my friends, Ken snuck a freebie in this shipment. What is a Ken freebie? A Ken freebie means that it's something that is in our warehouse that's extra. We have a lot of it. And he thought, you know what? Instead of selling it, I should give it away. So he has snuck a Ken freebie into all of your shipments this month. Now, it's an older item, so it might be something you have, but chances are it's not something you have. And how fun is it to get some extra goodies in the mail? Now, these Ken freebies have nothing to do with the freebies I send you a couple times a year. So these are on top of those as well. So it's kind of like we're paying you to be club members. We just like giving you free stuff. Kit Club members, as you know, starting last month, he started sneaking in 2 different items as Ken freebies. I know, it's so much fun. And Kit Club members for sure are getting 2 Ken freebies in each shipment the rest of the year of 2020. Crazy, I know, crazy. So there's the Ken freebie. Woo, can't see it because you don't know what it is. And it could be different than your friends. So you can trade if you want. And of course, I never really show you these on the videos, but you do get that cute little postcard that you should keep in the shipment, in your envelope. So you can keep that in your envelope, and it'll tell you what items also match. Now, let's check out the samples because they're so much fun. Look how cute those candles are at the bottom. Happy birthday. Oh, and you know what? Check that out. Make your sunglasses shaker boxes. How cute is that? Shaker kits, shaker cards. Okay, here's a cute one with the sunglasses, and they made their own pattern paper on the t-shirt. Fold it. Ooh, here's a fun step-up card with that happy birthday and candles on the inside. I think this is a little bit of a sneak peek, but we're going to show it anyway. Look how fun those pink and green ones are. Now, I wanted to make sure, I found the ones that show the other ideas. So here, you can see those little dots right there. Those are dies in the kit. So you can kind of put the sunglasses together. Here's a cute one with mirrored sunglasses. Ooh, here's another sneak peek. Summer vibes with all those fun patterns. I wonder where those came from. Ooh, here's a cute one with that palm tree and the sun on the inside. It also comes with mini sunglasses. You are going to use those mini sunglasses way more than you expect. Look how cute they look on our gnome. Here's a hello step up. Hello summer vibes. Hello summer vibes. Fun in the sun. Isn't that awesome? Here's a cute one with that little sun in the background. All those fun things. Yeah, I saw another one. I got to keep looking for my... Okay. And here's another one. Look at that. Oh, this is another sneak peek. Whoa! And oh, look how cute this one is. Here, the design team member used those little highlight ideas as little corners on the sunglasses. This is in our tag to stamp. I think this is tag holder die. Tag holder die. So fun. And look at this one. Dun, 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 dun. You're also going to see this one pretty soon somewhere else. But look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that beautiful? Danya really outdid herself on this one. We have mini sunglasses down here. We have sunglasses up here. We have the Steffi doll. We have our beautiful palm trees. So much fun. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. You're missing out. For only $11.95, you get the stamp set sent to you in the mail, and you get a 15% discount on our website. What? On everything on our website. Everything, including die cut machines. Right? Is that awesome? Including cutting pads, adhesive, dies, stamps, inks, blocks, you name it, you get a 15% discount. And you're getting those freebies. I sneak in freebie. Well, I don't sneak them in. I tell you I'm sending them every couple months. And Ken has been sneaking in freebies as well. So double the freebies, which is really fun. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. If I went too fast on any of these, don't worry. They're all on our website under the gallery section. So go check those out as well. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.